When you have run the e-commerce business and your product is the cosmetics, so how to run the proper way the Facebook ads campaign, to step by step I can show you. So let's start the video. So first of all, I can show you that is our, so that is my Facebook page. So I can just create another campaign of the sales campaign, obviously. So just select the sales campaign and click the options, and first of all I just write my campaign name. So I just write the campaign name here. Okay, and I don't use the catalog, so I just stop the catalog, and this campaign will be the CBO campaign method. So I can just select the our budget, so just a campaign level. So I use the campaign level budget, and I can use only $10. So I can use the $10 here, and just click the next option, and I write the ad set name also. So first of all I just create the so I create the multiple ad set here. So first I just write the my first ad set name, the interest based audience. So I can select the website, and that is our goal, the conversion, that is our pixel, and that is our conversion event goal, the purchase. I can all over the setup, and now I can select our interest based audience. So that is our location, our Bangladesh. So all over Bangladesh I can run the ads, and now I can select the ad suggest options here. So I can select the suggest, and first of all I use the age range. So I use the 20 to 45 range audience here, and obviously the gender is women. And now I can put, sorry, that now I can put down the interest based audience. So that is our the most performing interest based audience. So I can share the so I can put down here to copy to paste here to one by one. So first of all our health and wellness categories. So I just select there and the post here. So that is I can select that the behavior persons, and now I can select the beauty skin brand, their interest based audience. So I can select that the beauty brand. So beauty brand here, so I can select it. Now I can select it the another. So I can just put down the behaviors, and the most important things, the beauty and the cares website, the interest based audience people. So I can select that and paste here website, and look at that, the already Facebook give me the some suggestion here. I can also use this kind of suggestion. So natural skincare product, the customers there is they're important, the cosmetics, personal care, the interest based audience, that is very important. And then the skincare, that is the import potential customer, the beauty screen, the personal care tutorials, so that is more than important. The online shop, I can use the online shop that they're under, not like that. Narrow down audience, so I can use that, and I can just go to back to my sheet. Look at that, the health and beauty conscious people. So I can just write there and put down here, and give me the another one, the skincare I already use, the suggestion based, the customer, the fashion and makeup. So I can use it, fashion and makeup, I used it. And the next option is the natural skincare, I already use it. The skincare physiology, that is very important for the interest based audience, and the cosmetics brand product. So I just use the physiology skincare, that is the one of things. And I used already the gift shop, I don't use that, so I can use it, the gift shop, that is most important things. Okay, and now I can use the different things. I don't, so I can use the all over things about the interest, the most important things about interest based audience. Look like that, the health and wealth conscious people, the interest, the personal cares, the beauty screen, the beauty and cares website, people who visit day by day, the fashion and makeup conscious people, the natural beauty, the personal care, all it, the overall the things. And when you suggest the many kind of lipstick product here, so we can select the lipstick. That is the lipstick product. So we can when you can interest so when you can running at the lipstick product, so you can definitely select that lipstick. So I don't use that. And now I can narrow down here some audience, so I can definitely use the online shopper. So I can use the narrow down audience, the online shopper here. Okay, the online shopper peoples. Okay, and the near is the engaged shopper. Okay, so that is very too much. So when that is Facebook show my ads, so with people, so more than he can interest and behavior dislike people, and also he can match already the engaged shopper or online shopper also. So now I can figure out my placement here. So I can show only my ads just Facebook. So I don't use the Instagram, the networks and the thresholds. Okay, so I can just use the Facebook. So now I can select the placement here. So you untick the Facebook marketplace, the video feed, the right corner. Notification is the new placement here. That is I can use it, and that is work it. Now I can use the stories and reels. Okay, also the search term, the Facebook reels. Okay, that's fine. And now I can go to the next option. The main option is our creatives option. So I can first of all use my ad name. So I can use my ad name, and that is my page. That is the main section, the ad section. Now I can use our website. So just search the search the product of our website. So just search it, the website, and search it. Okay, that is our product. So I just copy the product link and just paste here. Okay, and I put down the UTM parameter. So just look at the Facebook, the campaign source, the campaign medium is the paid, and the campaign name also I can put down here, the campaign name, and finally the ad name also. So I just put down here the ad name. Okay, that's perfect. And now I can also use the display link. So same the link, I can use the display link here. Okay, I don't use any kind of number on my website, people go to the website. And now I can use the video. So just go to the media section, click the next option and go to the page. I figure out the product, so that is our creatives, so I can use it. I can use it. Click the next option. I don't use any kind of parameters here, so I can use the thumbnail. So click the edit options and go to the thumbnail manually. That is Facebook suggests only one thumbnail here, so I can use it. And I just write the. So now I can use our product ad copies. So I can copy it the totally and just put down here the primary text. I just little bit edit here. Okay, and now I can use the headline and description also, and Facebook AI is automatically give me some primary text also, so I can use it. And now I can use the headline. So I can use this headline here and just put down. Our Facebook AI is already give some 5 more headlines here, so I can also use it. And the final things, I can use some description. So I can use the description and just write select our CTA button. So I can use the order now button here, and that is the done. Our the proper So that is done our one ads campaign. It's a one ad set. So I can use the multiple ad set. So first of all I just copy it. So I can copy so I can duplicate it. So I can duplicate. So that is our one ad set, and that is our ad set number second, so 2, and I just use the custom audience here. So paste the audience, so paste the ad set name, and look like that. I don't use this kind of interest based audience, so I can delete the all things, and I can use the custom audience. So that is the custom audience, include the audience, so I can search it. So that is our custom audience, the add to cart the last 60 days. And the second is I can use the custom audience here, so I can use the video view also. So I can use the video view, the last the message on my page the last 6 months, so I can use it. Also the video view, also the many campaign video views here. So and also I can use this kind of custom audience. So that's it. I can use the many kind of custom audience here. So that is our ad set number 1, that is our ad set number 2. The same things, and I can use the another ad set here. So just duplicate it and duplicate. Okay, and write down the ad set name. So university going people, so I can use it, and I don't use the custom audience here. So delete the custom audience, all things. And this audience I can use using the university going the students. So I can just use the audience segment. So I can select the Dhaka University. Sorry, I can use the custom audience here. That is our audience, interest based audience, so I can use it, the Dhaka University. So look like that, the Dhaka University, the schools, so I can use it. Also I can just write the university name. The university, so you can definitely use the University of Dhaka. There also even the Dhaka University of IU, that is the another university, the BRTS University, the North South University. So I can use the all kind of things. So that is our whole process. So I can use the first of all I can use the campaign label, the CBO method campaign. So campaign object, campaign budget optimization, the campaigns here. So now I can use the 3 ad set. So first of all our 1 ad set is the interest based audience. Here when I can use the all kind of interest, our all kind of interest, our product like fashion things, our cosmetics product, the beauty screen, the all kind of interest based audience I can use. And the next one is the custom audience, our Facebook page audience, our video views audience, our website view going audience here, last 20 to 30 days, or the 6 months, or the 20 months, and the 2 months here. And the final is I can use the university going people. So I can use university going student also. So I can use the all kind of university name, the Dhaka University, the North South University, the East West University, all kind of things. So I can definitely just publish it, and my campaign is almost done. So that is for today, guys. I hope you can understand how to set up the proper way, the when you can run the when you can run the cosmetics brand or cosmetics brand products. So I can definitely showing the whole process. I hope you can understand that, and there any question here you can just knock me on WhatsApp. So so that's enough for today. So thank you.